We signed up for long-term health insurance when we were 70 years old. And I'm just so glad that we did it because it helps a lot when it comes to the bills. About 4 or 5 years ago was the first time he had to draw on his long-term health insurance, and it took care of all the bills from the hospital and at home for the caregivers, some 24 hours a day for a while.
We take care of Bonnie's husband, Arvid, the Fick family, and we've been taking care of them since about 2013. Lovely family. Bonnie's just fantastic. And Arvid needs a little bit of help, but because he needs the amount of help that he does, what we've done is we've made sure that he's had male caregivers. And Oliver is one of his caregivers, and Arden is another. They have become so close to their caregivers, I really believe that they look at their caregivers as a member of the family. And that's been just great.
It makes it easier for me than when they're here, because then I can be doing something else while they're watching him or taking care of him. And I really appreciate that, and I try to let him know, not only for him, but for me too.